Hello everyone. This is the latest technology electric control panel for our 850 wood pellet machine. And I will introduce to you this electric panel in details. You can have a closer view of this PLC touchscreen control system, and this touch screen with the 20-inch size, very big and very good looking, this electric panel is a full automatic control for the whole system. And from this panel you can have a look at this is the screw conveyors for feeding raw material to the pellet machine. And over here is the dust collector system, and here is the grease pump system, lubricating automatic pumping system. And this system, you can just push one button, and the whole system can start or stop full automatically. This control panel can be a Chinese or English version, easily for you to operate this electric control panel. Welcome for inquiry for our pellet machine, our latest technology. Thanks for watching this video, and I will forward to see you next time. Bye bye.